Hi James. I've been working on my English pronunciation, but I feel like there is still room for improvement. Any essential tips you can share?
Hello, Emily. Absolutely. Improving pronunciation is a continuous process. First and foremost, pay attention to vowel sounds. They're crucial. Try to pronounce each vowel clearly and distinctly. For instance, practice the difference between ship and sheep.
Ship, sheep. Got it.
Good start. Now, let's talk about consonants. Pay special attention to the R sound. In words like car or park, make sure your tongue doesn't touch the roof of your mouth.
Car, park. How's that?
Excellent. Next, work on the TH sounds, both voiced and voiceless. For the voiced TH, like in this, place your tongue between your teeth and vibrate. For the voiceless TH, like in think, do the same without vibrating.
This, think. I find the TH sounds tricky, but I'll keep practicing.
Great effort, Emily. Now, let's address word stress. English words often have one stressed syllable. Listen to native speakers and notice which syllables they emphasize. It can change the meaning of a word. For example, reject, verb versus reject, noun.
Reject, reject. Stressing the right syllable is crucial, I see.
Absolutely. And don't forget about intonation. English speakers use rising and falling intonation to convey meaning. Questions generally have rising intonation, while statements have falling intonation.
How are you? Rising intonation, I'm fine. Falling intonation.
Perfect! Lastly, practice with native speakers as much as you can. It's the best way to immerse yourself in the language and pick up natural pronunciation.
That makes sense. I'll try to interact more with native speakers. Any final advice?
Keep it fun. Use tongue twisters, read out loud, and watch movies or listen to podcasts in English. The more exposure you get, the more confident you'll become.
Thanks, James. I'll incorporate these tips into my practice routine.
You're welcome, Emily. Remember, progress takes time, so be patient with yourself. Happy practicing.
I will. Thanks for your guidance, James.